seen a bra that's collected so much dirt underneath that you can still read the word legend where it was embroidered there up top. That was a lot of stuff to unpack. I'll go through all this in due time. Time for first car wash. And that's gonna wrap it up for the first day of ownership with this 94 Legend GS. All I did was a quick wash at the coin op local place down the street, and that's gonna have to do because I'm gonna run out of daylight here. But the car, I will definitely say, has a lot of potential. I'm excited to see what we can make of this. It is, of course, a very rare configuration and totally deserving of restoration. First mod for the Sherwood Green Legend GS is to de-chrome it. The wheels have now been swapped. This is a donor set that came off the Sherwood Green coupe that I just painted, so they will get me down the road better than those flat ones did. Coming to you from the Circle K in Phoenix. Just got the Legend GS out for the first time in a few weeks, and I think it looks pretty good on these tires. These are the wheels and tires off the coupe, and rides well, starts and runs, and gets down the road just great. So let's go back home. Here's Chris giving the GS a run for its money here. So I always have to get Chris's initial opinion, and the last time I asked him this question, he says, take it back where you got it and let it sit in the driveway. What do you think about this? What do you think about this one?
I think you should keep this one.
Yeah, this one's a little more worthy of a little resto effort.
Yeah, I agree.
All right. Drives okay, shifts good. This one's got a, probably can't hear it, this one has an aftermarket Stromung exhaust system, same as my sedan, but even a little bit louder. Working on the very tedious process of removing wheel trim arch molding residue. So this car had on every door and every wheel arch aftermarket piece of black molding that when I peel it off, it leaves the entire mounting strip here, so it takes a little bit of elbow grease to peel it off, but I did finish the left rear corner and that is ready to go. Do window tint removal on the GS now. It's got really crappy bubble tint here in the back windows, so that's going to come off. Just got the car back from my friend Omar here, and nice clear windows. Eventually I may reapply tint, but for right now it's just nice to be able to see out the back. The sunroof shade in the 94 green GS, and you notice it's got a black sort of ring around it. When this thing closes, sits right there, it kind of rubs on it and has created this line over time. But I love these Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. So watch how this will just wipe that away. Awesome. I'll go over probably the whole thing because you can see it's pretty black, but the line is gone.